All right, folks, right here we have a Kubota MX5400. This is a hydrostatic tractor with a loader. Very nice condition, seen very little use. This one only has 282 hours on it total, and it looks like it. Tires are in great condition. Overall, this tractor's just in really clean, good shape. This does have beet juice filled rear tires, as well as a set of factory wheel weights, adding another 600 pounds, so she's got traction anywhere you want to go with this one. We're going to have it right here at Bata Farm Machinery for sale. Swing on by and see it, or give us a call with any questions.